Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing admin access so you can change rules immediately. Once signed in, open Control Panel and go to Windows Defender Firewall. You need to be in the Advanced Settings view. Make sure third-party antivirus shields are paused while you test changes, because they often reblock ports. Next, choose Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall and click Change Settings. This is the first actionable step that lets you add Roblox network permissions directly. Once done with basic access, you create precise firewall rules so Roblox traffic flows. In Advanced Settings, make a new inbound rule for the Roblox Player Launcher. EXE and Roblox Player Beta. EXE, allowing both TCP and UDP, then repeat outbound. Specify remote ports broadly if matchmaking fails, commonly 49,152 to 65,535, and restrict to required profiles, private first, then public or domain if needed. Make sure rule scope match. You finish by restarting both your computer and router so new rules and NAT mappings take effect. After reboot, launch Roblox and test joining a server. If it works, re-enable antivirus and add the same executable exceptions there. If problems persist, check your NAT type and set up router port forwarding for the same ports, because double NAT or strict NAT will block connections. One key tip: if Roblox still fails, temporarily connect to a mobile hotspot to isolate whether your ISP or home router is causing the block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.